Market wants to rally no matter what. Just wants to go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. All-time highs would be done, but I really want to trade. Maybe go smaller position. NASDAQ up at all-time highs. Let's go, baby. Stop at 524. Can you take me higher? Looking for the pop above highs. Da, 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 da. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Still in. Stop is at break even. Stopped out. We'll pull back 15, 20 points. Little scalpy scalp. Little scalpy scalp. Couple $100. Couple hundo. NASDAQ pushing all-time highs. Just keeps going. Crazy. It's a good time. Good time. Wild. Push it. Push it. Push it. So crazy. Looking for a little scalp opportunity here. We will see if we can get it. Futures is super easy to scalp. Not very hard to scalp on futures here. 10-point pullback there. Big old smiles are worth more. We weren't wanting that. If we could pull back to, well, I don't know, say pull back to 30, but at the same time, if we pull back there, could be more lows. Could be more lows. So, I don't know. Probably not. Market's looking quite strong. Quite strong today. Kind of, if you're looking for a real small scalp, it's hard to lose today unless you just go massive position or something. Market's up 50 points from open. What's up? I was doing my dog. Your what? My dog. You're drawing? No, this is my dog. Your school. Yeah, you gonna do that one? No, not. On this one. On this one. Okay, can you do it by yourself? No, not well. You gotta ask Mama for help then. Couple little red candles here. Couple little red candles. 10-point pullback from all-time highs. Could call it a little bottom here. I'm doing it. Has a terrible scalp. Dang it. Dying it. It's okay. 10 points. 10 points. We're good. Relax. Reset. Recharge. Can you close my door? I'd prefer if you go work with Mama out there, sweetie. Ray. Reagan. Go work with Mama out there. Close my door, please. So I can focus here. Are these the lows? Testing that 530, going lower. What do we have? We don't have. The thing is we don't have levels. We're at what the hell? We're at all-time highs. I mean, there's nothing up here. I went long at open and freaking stopped me out 2 points away from the bottom. That's life right there, huh? Get stopped out right at the bottom. So dumb. My stop was at 22,492 and it went down to 22,490. Got each toe. Okay. Well, NASDAQ pulling back. A little scary to short this, honestly, because all-time highs, right? Am I right? Hit these pre-market highs of 22,510. Testing. Pretty sellers are in control here. Blowing right through there, testing 22,500. Next up are lows, 22,490. That would be the 15-minute opening range. That breaks through the bottom of the range right there. Okay. Bouncing off lows. Oof, that's so tempting. A lot of volatility right now. That's kind of nice. Testing these lows from open. The lows, I mean, we didn't really go low. We just opened and went up. If ES can come up here, I would not be surprised if NQ wants to go higher. $10. I'm taking it. 10 points of risk. 30 plus points reward. Probably stopped out. That's okay. 10 to 3. 1 to 3. Not stopped out. Back to break even. In the profit, 9 points. Patience, patience. ES totally reversing that move. Moving stop to break even. Taking a little bit of profit. Gonna close that out. Not the trade that I wanted, but might continue, honestly. Mm-hmm. 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 I wasn't quite as patient as I ought to be there. If I leave, I'll be back in 1 second. I'll be back in 1 second, I promise. I need to text someone. Do you know why there are 2 drains for a sink in the casita part? Question mark. I said I would be back. Everyone's gone. Hmm. That's so weird. Technology is struggling today, huh? Pull back here on NASDAQ. Possibly give us a little entry here. 22,520. Appears it wants to hold that 520. Come down, test it one more time. Maybe dip a little lower into the teens, rip higher. Sure appears that that's what it's going to do. Ouch. Yes, running higher. NQ coming back down to test. Golly. Spike lower there. Hit my stop. Not that it really matters, but. Does it actually want to go lower, or is it just going to spike and stop people out and go higher? That's the question. I actually lost like 4 points there on that spike. I had my stop at, I lost 3. Had my stop higher than where it filled me. Can't get biased here. You can't get biased and say the market has to go higher because we're at all-time highs. The market does not have to go higher. If anything, it looks like it wants to go back and test lower. Testing opening print. NASDAQ trying to push lower than opening print here for a second time during market. ES has totally erased its previous 5-minute candle. So our little 15-minute orb here that we're kind of testing. Not orb, but or opening range. I don't know. Don't really want to go long. Don't really want to go short here, honestly. Sometimes the best trade is to sit, wait. This is so tangled. It's a mess. Bouncing off that 22,500 spot. Damn it. Mm. Trade of 8 is having issues. Keeps reloading. I'm also confused why I have a wick that went higher. Well, I think I'm going to call it there. I don't want to watch us grind lower after hitting all-time highs. Silly. Peace.